Hi guys, do you know that in the year 1967, Igbo Akiri, an Igbo-speaking community in Edo State, was renamed to Igbanke by the then military governor of the Midwest State, Samuel Osaibovo Obemudia. The Igbanke community you know now in Edo State was once named Igbo Akiri. According to history, Samuel Osaibovo also changed his Igbo name from Chinedu to Obemudia. All this was an attempt to erase every traces of being Igbo in order to protect his community during the war. This is why in this generation today, a lot of people have identity crisis. You will see an Igbo person with an Igbo name, but they will tell you that they are not Igbo. And this is why we are pushing for the Igbo unity. Ndi Igbo are found everywhere in Nigeria. Ihotara. They are everywhere in Nigeria, and that is why we want the Igbo unification, for us to be united as one. It is very important to know your roots and to accept who you are. Maka na Igbo amaka.